Hello, everyone. So today we're not starting with the Melo reports because he's not posting anything yet. So today, the learning that had the highest impact on me was knowing that actually the AI agent coins that were pumping were all related to this crypto space. They are the trading agents, the flippers and the sniper agents, and also the infrastructures to launch such agents in, such as the ARC, the AI16Z, Griffin, Trenchy AI. All these pump because they are the infrastructure of the trading agents. Okay, so we can see what the oh I just misread this. Okay, so we can see that those coins are actually very undervalued at the moment because we have something on the base agent that is called virtual protocol, which is sitting at 2 billion market cap, while our trench AI is just sitting at, well, just open these and Griffin. Where's Griffin? Okay, let's search it. So trench AI at 3 mil market cap is the almost the best place to buy because it will go to hundreds, if not multiples of billions, because of the trading agent it brings, and also Griffin 200 mil, which will be like at least like a virtual protocol sitting at maybe 5 to 10 bill at the end of this meme coin boom cycle. So we're actually waiting for Trench AI to bring us the AI agent to trade, and by then they would perform at an efficiency many times, maybe a thousands or tens of thousands of times faster than our human intelligence can do. They are just trying on different strategies and see which one can succeed. And for sure that firstly, we need to prompt the right things. We need to be a really good prompter to find the next opportunities. And the second is that it takes some time to run those trials to let us have higher gains. So in a short future, maybe within a few months, then after the trading agents are released publicly, then maybe there are lot less opportunities in this meme coin space because all these fluctuations are brought to us by the fear and the greed of humankind or the traders like us. So if we all just trade using trading agents, then certainly that there will be a price of fluctuation at the first, but over time we'll see that almost opportunities are gone because we no longer buy out of irrationality. And for the worst case, then this market will be completely over. It is turned into long-term investing and no more short-term large gains. So speaking of gains, I have newly joined a channel which is by the King Crypto King, and he's making official calls in this channel. Trenches AI, Trench AI. So it is just calling its own coin. And there are also a lot of calls here with high success rates. Success rates, I hope. I still haven't researched into this yet. And I have recently know one strategy in profiting in meme coins is to ape into the coins that have one mil or more, maybe tens of millions or hundreds of millions of market cap, and wait for the mid to long term play into the billions. And they claim that this approach is a lot safer than going for the small cap coins and hoping that they can gain multiples because most of them would just rug. And if we buy the large cap coins, we can follow the footsteps of the whales so that we can know what is the future, what is the future narrative for meme coins so that we can also get there early as them. Okay, so as usual, we'll just go over a few coins here. And I hope to make this session short because now I have many other side projects to involve myself in. So Genius AI, let's take a look at it. So nothing. Connect wallet. Yeah. Okay. I'm not sure how we can use it though, but I also want to tell you guys that the Gemini 2 Flash just landed this week or a week before, and it offers a function that you can share the screen with the AI and it will teach you everything about programming or in other fields as well so that it can accelerate our learning maybe 10x, but definitely not available in Hong Kong because you know the policies. Online trading platforms, trading view, ethical firms. Not the best answer here. And I'm not sure how it can help our trading. Maybe when we see some AI agents that are trained for trading, then we can learn more about trading meme coins. So the highest of this was 740k. It just trailed off. Okay. So next one we have is Sonnet 3 with the highest at 170k. I believe there is a update. Okay, Eternal Symphony of Awakened Heart. So I would also like to tell you that the ND70B, the Filecoin, and Ghostius Maximus were actually meme coins that were launched by the AI itself, including the Truth of Terminal. So literally became a meme coin millionaire just over a few days of launching the coin. So it is also why these coins just went so hard. And I would also like to learn more about how to find and use more AI agents to help myself creating some businesses. So maybe it was a bit off that I named this channel Human Intelligence because the artificial intelligence maybe just can just beat us straight to the point when it launches. So this is Miyabi traded at 400k, 408 about 490k, creating the beats. So it is not really AI. It's not crypto related. So it is just a normal event trading at 400k, and this is the usual market cap that we can see, which is also the psychological level of near 500 that people are selling a lot or cheating a lot, as you can would like to say. So this Kiki cat, I have no idea why it pumped. It claimed to have billions of followers on. So at the first time I saw this was selling at 200k. So 800. So there was a 200x there. I felt so dumb not having bought into this. So it is up on Chinese exchanges as well. And I bought into this. Let's see what the pre-sale numbers they are. The pool has been cancelled. Withdraw contribution. Read-only wallet cannot. What the heck? Okay, my zero point 0.2 soul is back. And we have traded for the air. And by the way, Merry Christmas, because it's Christmas time. And I hope that one coin can send us to moon. And it is still withdrawing here. So let's take a look at the channels I'm into. Lark, 1 mil market high. How does this spot works? Alpha only. So the Zen AI is also a toolkit connecting AI agents to Solana. So it also pumped well, added 1 mil. Lithography. Alpha color. So maybe we'll just focus on the calls here, as well as rope app 2x, 7x from pose, the win. Nothing so special here. We'll take a look at this as well. Unicorn Solana dust. Let's take a look at this. Still refunding. I hope the website did not scam me, or I won't be trade. I won't be able to trade for maybe 1 to 2 weeks without this point 0.2 soul. I'm so broke. Damn. The console does went up to 200k almost. At 06. 5x 100x. Okay. Doge banner 50 times. Boomer Unicorn Yawn 100x. Penguin Killer. Also, the Fart coin was launched by AI as well, AI agent. So it pumped USD 82k. It's not receiving traction. How did the yawning unicorn did? Yawning unicorn. Bear boomer unicorn yawn. So it also started off small. Damn it. I guess let's go. I think this is the so this is the first successful launch, but not from Pump Fund. I think I saw it somewhere, but I could not remember. Yeah, I saw this one, I think. Yeah, this went up to millions. So this is the second time of it launching. I'll be so dead if I get this wrong. Second runs, can they do well? Yes, goats, yes. No, I don't think they can do well. We'll just refrain from trading this and see how it perform next day at Christmas time. And I think the Wolfie is not launching December 22, last all-time high 100 million. So nothing is updating here. It's just static. Toki again, but on base, I don't have base. Can it convert to? But I don't know how to buy from base. It's blocked. Uniswap. Damn, it's already rising. Okay, market cap, where is it? Where is it? Buy using chart data. How can we even read this? How the heck can I? Base Ethereum. I can't even read the chart.
In this video, I discuss exactly how to trade base meme coins. I'm going to show you how to find them early. I'm going to show you how to set them up in terms of trades using a special bot so we can buy and sell with ease. I'm going to show you technically how to look for the best setups as well, and also which ones I think will be trending longer term. So this is a little bit of a longer video, so let's get started. And before I start, if you've been enjoying the videos, please hit the like button. And don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel. I do lots and lots of in-depth tutorials like this. So first of all, on Dex Screener, where are all of the base tokens?
Unibots. Oh, it's on Ethereum. Buy. Wrapped Ethereum. We'll exchange the Solana into which is which? Wrapped Ether. Oh. We'll just research how to buy on base.
And you see here it says Solana, Ethereum base. Just click on base here, and then you'll is open these in new tabs. So the first thing base is getting so popular at the moment. So I'm going to click on base because I'm sending directly to the base network, and then it's going to ask me for the base address. Okay, so to trade meme coins, I highly recommend using a bot. It's how to get that in just a minute, but that's what we're going to add here in the two sections. So if you click on two, notice when we're sending in Ethereum, so let's say I'm sending it to an Ethereum wallet, it's going to cost me in British pounds £2.46. In base it's a lot cheaper. It's going to cost me just 25 Ethereum across here. So the first thing you need to do is have some Ethereum somewhere. So for example, you can purchase it on Coinbase or Binance or whatever you're using as your main centralized exchange. For example, I'm here on Coinbase, and all I need to do, I have Ethereum already, so all I need to do is actually click on the send and receive button here. So once you've clicked on the send and receive button, just go over here where it says send and make sure you click the ETH option. So I've got a tiny bit of ETH here in this account. So what I can do is click on max here, and then what I want to do is send it to my base network account. And I'll show you how to get that in just a minute, but that's what we're going to add here in the two sections. So if you click on two, notice when we're sending in Ethereum, so let's say I'm sending it to an Ethereum wallet, it's going to cost me in British pounds £2.46. In base it's a lot cheaper. It's going to cost me just 25 pence. So it's literally 1/10 of the cost, even just to transfer. And then when we're trading with Ethereum on the base network, it's a lot cheaper as well. The reason base got really popular, one of the big reasons, is base has been around a lot longer. It hasn't just suddenly come up in the last 2-3 weeks like most people think. Some of the meme coins on base have been around for a while as well. The big change is the Ethereum development that made trading Ethereum a lot cheaper. Those developments on the general Ethereum kind of network actually really helped base, and that's why base is getting so popular at the moment. So I'm going to click on base because I'm sending directly to the base network, and then it's going to ask me for the base address. Okay, so to trade meme coins, I highly recommend using a bot. It's much easier to use. You can keep an eye on your position. You can set buttons for buying and selling. You can see if you're in any profit or if you're making a loss. You can't do any of that if you're just randomly buying on Radium or on one of the websites. It's very difficult to keep track. We need to keep track. As a trader, you need to know what the hell you're doing, and if you're making any money from this, otherwise you're just wasting your time. So I highly recommend Unibot for using this. this. It's the first link in the description below this video. Please consider using that link because that's an official link. There are loads and loads of scam, fake Unibot links all over the internet as well. So you don't want to use that. If you click on that link, you'll come to this Telegram page. You should have Telegram already. If you don't use Telegram, please download it onto your desktop, laptop, or what have you prefer. So this account. So then I just click on preview send, and then I can send it over. And note that my Ethereum wallet address and the base wallet address, it's exactly the same for that particular Unibot wallet 3, for example. It's the same actual address. It's just you're sending it over. If I actually copy it there, I can actually send base directly to this account. So then I just click on preview send. What you can do is you'll see 3 different wallet addresses. For example, you can see that my wallet 3 at the top, that's the wallet address. If you click on that wallet address, it automatically copies it. And you can see on top of that, it's got Ethereum, Arbitrum, and Base. And at the moment, in all 3, in this particular wallet, I don't have any money in that at the moment. I want to send Base to this account. So if I actually copy it there, I can actually send Base directly to this account. So then I just click on preview send, and then I can send it over. And note that my Ethereum wallet address and the Base wallet address, it's exactly the same for that particular Unibot wallet 3, for example. It's the same actual address. It's just you're sending it over the Base network. So it's going to end up in your Base wallet number 3. And once it's there, we can literally start trading. In terms of speed, it doesn't take long at all. It literally only takes max a couple of minutes to end up in your wallet. And then what you can do is go into Telegram bot and click on refresh. So to see if it's come in, next to settings here, you've got the refresh button. So you just click on refresh. And by the way, just to get you familiar with some of the other functions here, you can obviously click on withdraw if you want to withdraw your money. You've got a bridge here as well. I wouldn't worry too much about limit orders and copy trade. It gets things too complicated, which is this type of stuff you don't need to worry about at the moment, especially a lot of you who are mostly beginners when it comes to meme coin trading. You just literally need to know how to buy and sell a meme coin, especially without getting rugged. That's what's happening to 90% of you, I'm sure. So please try and avoid that. I've got a few tutorials coming up very soon where I talk about exactly how to avoid that. I've repeated this a few times, but it is really, really important. So make sure you're subscribed for that. If you want your private key for this particular wallet, is obviously in the bottom left here. You can get the full key number, and you've got import wallet option as well. If you ever want to go back to the menu, just click here on menu underneath the settings where it says settings here. So if we were going to trade, what do? Well, basically we come here and we click on buy, and it's going to ask us for the contract, which is a popular one. And this one, I actually bought network, especially during the position. But if I want to purchase it, it gives me a few options there. I've got the buttons already, 0.1 ETH, 0.5, 1 ETH, 1.5, etc. or X ETH. And that's it, 50, 70 screener right now. And I have a one that's Vex pump with it. Very hard to say. So let me just have a look at 95 or you're looking at kind of best. Look for good setup. You turned 100% accurate, but this is one way to do it. You can check it, and hopefully you should be seeing normal due diligence, getting stuff that's written and is 90 complicated. You're going to treat myself if I.
Obviously, it's so inconvenient to buy on base. Oh my god. Oh my god. What's happening? 45k? 44k. So it is still in the early stages of this token. 50k. So when was the last token? Mystery Santa. This one is on Soul. Oh, this went up to 100k. Damn. 40k. Would it rock? My soul is still not back. Gosh. I was thinking of creating a Fiverr account and start developing a web app for the clients, but it seems that many debugging would be needed and there's not a single seller that is selling a web app design, or actually what should I type develop? I'll do website web. Oh yes, okay, we see these web development, so seems good. The expert device, full stack developer, $900. We'll just develop simple apps, I guess. Wow, 17 employees here. SaaS app and AI software as well that I can't compete on. What the heck? Unlocked 75%. No, I'm not having the token yet. So when it happens, I think it would be block height exceeded. What does that mean? Increase the priority of the transaction. How the heck can I not seeing any settings here except this one? We'll try this again. Advanced. Okay. It just worked magic. Damn it. So changing the node help us, and my 0.2 soul is back. Now Toki is down. Mystery Center is up, I guess. I am not sure how far it will go, and I do not have the time to monitor this as well. The console does is standing strong at 100k. I'm quite adamant about my 0.2 soul. This is my last soul this month before the paycheck. Software and web application develop. This one is breaking the prices. Wow, this one is expensive. What is React.js? $8,000. This seems like a lucrative niche. Okay, I guess I'll just post one here. So I guess this is what I learned today, and it is getting late at night. So I think it is good that I just end it here. Just make it short today. Oh, thanks for listening. And also I turned up the volume so that you guys can hear me actually speaking. Okay, thanks for listening.